Supper Wednesday, let's get cooking. From skillet to plate, just take a look in. So grab your boots and come our way. It's what's for Supper Wednesday.
Hello folks, welcome back. It's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and this week we're going to be having lasagna. Alrighty, we need 2 pounds of meat. Now we're going to be doing sausage today for both. We've got 2 pounds of sausage. If you want to have 1 pound of burger, 1 pound of sausage, that'd be fine. The sausage was a lot cheaper than what the burger was today, so we went with the sausage. Alrighty, we need 16 ounces of lasagna noodles. All I could find out there was 12 ounces, so we'll take a few out of the other box and we'll have the others on hand. We're going to need 4 cups of cheese, mozzarella cheese, and then we need 24 ounces of sauce. Well, Carolyn, she had hers there, and it's a little bit over 24. It's a quart, so 32 ounces, but that's okay. We're using just the oven ready lasagna noodles. It needs a little bit more moisture anyway. Now we need 1 egg. We're going to need basil, parsley. Carolyn's moving over her spices she just used there to make the sauce. Carolyn will be showing you here in just a second the sauce that she made for this here. Alright, we need 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. We're going to need roughly a cup of Parmesan cheese, and then 16 ounces of cottage cheese. Alrighty, for the Italian seasoning mix Carolyn used, it was 4 teaspoons of basil, 2 teaspoons of thyme, 2.5 teaspoons of oregano, 1.5 teaspoons of rosemary, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And for the sauce, what you'll do, you'll mix 2 1/4 teaspoons of this Italian seasoning mix for each pint or 2 cups of sauce. But yeah, something happened to the footage there of Carolyn actually making the sauce, but that is the recipe she uses for making her Italian seasoning mix for the sauce. Alrighty, we've done got our egg in our bowl here. Now put in our ricotta cheese. Put in our cottage cheese. You grab me a It had been a little while since we had a lasagna. I'll grab me a spoon here in a second. Going to just try to get this mixed together a little bit here. And then we'll put the rest of our stuff in. Now, alrighty, we're putting in 1 teaspoon of basil, and 2 teaspoons of chopped parsley. Alrighty, let me get that all mixed up there now. And then we'll be putting in some mozzarella cheese, and some Parmesan cheese. Alrighty. Alright. Now let me get this. Hold on 1 second, folks. Alrighty. And then 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Alrighty. Mix this up good. Carolyn's over there browning our sausage up for us. Now I'm going to get a little bit of salt and put into this. Probably about a half a teaspoon of salt I added. That'll just be to your taste. Salt and pepper to taste. Alrighty. How's the sausage coming over there, Sugar? And then what we'll do after she gets it browned up, we'll drain it. And then we'll place in the sauce, combine it all together. Carolyn can show you that there. See you in just a minute, folks. Carolyn's got the sausage all browned up for us. Now we're going to add the sauce. Grab us a spoon over here. Now we'll have our meat sauce. Okay, now we'll let the meat sauce over there simmer for about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and put some olive oil spray in here. We'll put just a little bit of sauce on the bottom. I know we done sprayed the olive oil spray in there, but this here will help the noodles from sticking. It had been a while since we'd made a homemade lasagna. Okay, let me set this over here out of the way. Open up us a box of noodles. Now, put them in the bottom here. Now the recipe used to, it called for a 13 by 9 pan. This is just a little bit bigger than that. Alrighty. Now, I'm gonna get that spoon. We'll use the same one. It ain't gonna matter. It's gonna be all mixed together anyway. Get some of our cheese mixture. Spread out on this. Alrighty, now let me get the meat sauce. We'll spoon some of that over top of that. Okay, set this back over there. Now, Boy, that one broke, didn't it? Alrighty. Now, just going to duplicate what we just did. Take your cheese mixture here. Okay, the next layer we'll be putting our mozzarella cheese on it. Throw this box away. If I'd have went ahead and used the 13x9 pan, probably wouldn't even have had to open this other box up. Oh well, we'll use it. Just need one here for this side over here. Alrighty. Set that to the side. Now let's get the rest of our meat sauce. And just continue adding your mozzarella cheese here on top. And then we're going to wrap this with foil. Now what we'll do, we'll coat our foil on top. We don't want it to be grabbing all of our cheese off there. That'll help with that there. And then we'll place it in the oven to get the foil. Okay. Oops, sorry there guys, didn't mean to hit you with the foil. Cover it tightly. We're going to bake it we'll check it after 30 minutes. And after that time, we'll go ahead and take the foil off where the cheese can brown up a little bit. And we may add a little bit more of the cheese we got. See you in about 30 minutes, guys. Alrighty. We got a heck of a storm coming through right now. Hope it don't tear the fence down. Alrighty. Now, what we'll do, we'll let that sit there for about 10 or 15 minutes while we cook our garlic bread. And then we'll try it and see how it is. Alrighty, there it is, folks. We got us some garlic bread, and also we got us a salad Carolyn fixed. There you can see the layers in there. Give it a try, guys.
Okay. Gosh. Oh, cheese.
Uh-oh, done knocked the bread off. Careful, Dan. Just come out of a 900-degree oven.
That is delicious.
That is delicious.
It's hot, folks. we let it sit about 15 minutes.
Oh, but it's delicious.
Very good.
Having trouble, Dan?
A little bit.
Alrighty, folks. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday. Take care.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love and everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Home and Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee.